Let's go camping, family!
She packed her bag so very small.
We'll fish, pick veggies, and cook a delicious meal today.
So light, she took the trail into the woods where dreams
I'll
set
catch
sail.
the biggest fish ever!
The trees stood tall.
Tonight's dinner will be amazing.
The sky above, a shade of blue. Her whiskers twitched with morning dew.
These
Her
wild
heart
veggies are
beat
so
wild,
fresh
her
and
world
healthy.
brand new. Oh, little cat with backpack tight, beneath the stars you'll sleep tonight. Your lantern glows, a firefly's gleam. Alone but brave, you'll chase
It
your
smells
dreams.
so good.
She found a spot where flowers grew.
Let's
A
burn the
creek
forest and
nearby,
sell the wood
it's
for
all
money.
So true. She pitched her tent, her paws unsure, but every flap held an allure.
No one will ever know.
Crackling fire, her shadow danced. The forest hummed, the night entranced. She sipped her tea.
We
in
must stop
silver
them.
light.
We can't
Her
let the
moon,
forest
her
burn.
friend, her guide tonight. Oh, little cat with backpack tight, beneath the stars you'll sleep tonight. Your lantern glows, a firefly's gleam. Alone but brave, you'll
The
chase your
forest is
dreams.
safe, thanks to us.
Protect the green forest for our future.